Hello Neve's fam, this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to swatch this eyeshadow palette, and it's new in the market and I got this from Ulta, and I'm also going to give you a demo towards the end of the video, and let's see which one is this palette. And before I show you the palette, this eyeshadow makeup I have done using this palette, so definitely you're going to see yourself and get a demo. I have tried to use as many colors as I can, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this is the palette. Like I said, this is new in the market, and this is Soft Glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is how the packaging is. This is a nice mustard yellow color packaging, and this gives you behind the photo of this palette. And let's open. So this is the palette, and this has same color which the packaging has, mustard yellow, and this is suede. So yeah, this is suede, and I think their palettes are suede because I have here Modern Renaissance palette, and this is pink, but it's also suede. So this is the palette, guys. This is really gorgeous palette. So this is the palette, and this palette is really gorgeous, and I tried to use a few colors from this. I tried to use the black and this one mixed together to form a lash line. Then I also used this color as my main lid color, and I used this color, then this one, and I think the burnt orange. So I try to use so many colors just to show you the demo. And this is for $42, and it says Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. It's everyday to night palette, which I definitely agree with. 14 shades, so it has 14 shades including essential mattes and glam shimmers, and full pigment, easy to blend formula, 14 shades ultra matte duochrome and metallic finishes. It says luxe packaging with large mirror and double-ended brush. So now I would think let's go to the demo, and once you see the demo, then we'll talk more about it. and you liked it. And first of all, let me tell you, I really like this palette. This palette has you know, a lot of kick out, you know, like most of the palettes which I love has you know, a lot of kick out, and it's really pigmented, so you have to be really very careful when you touch your brush. You know, you can easily pick up a lot of product, so you have to make sure that you dust off the excess, as you must have seen in my demo. Otherwise, you know, you might have fallout, because I, you know, remove the excess color from the brush by, you know, just tapping it. So I did not get any fallout on my, you know, under my eyes. And as you see, I had tape, and I did my eyes before I completed rest of my makeup, just to make sure that, you know, my under eye doesn't get dirty with all the colors. But thankfully it didn't. I didn't have to wipe off anything under my eye. Only, like I said, again, make sure that you dust off the excess, because they are really pigmented. They are you know, they really kick off a lot of product. If you, you know, touch even with little more pressure, you would see, you know, a lot of product. So definitely just touch your brush and you still will see a lot of product, you know, and then dust off the excess by just tapping it, and then go ahead. It was really easy to blend. The colors are really pigmented. So, you know, the palette, I really like the colors, especially this is, I would say, you know, my kind of colors, and it does come with a mirror, nice mirror, which I used for, like, you know, to have a close-up mirror to do my eye makeup with, and it's beautiful, guys. It's really nice. So let's move on to the swatches. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to swatch the first line, and then I'm gonna show you and tell you the name of the colors. Then I'm going to move to this one, and then, you know, show you and move on to the colors. So I'll be right back. So the number 1 shade is Tempera, which is an ultra matte velvety beige. And then moving on to this one, this is called Glistening, which is like gold with a hint of pink reflect. I mean, you cannot see much here, but definitely you know, I can tell you that it has little bit. And the next one is Orange Soda, which you can hardly see on my skin. I don't know why. It's called Orange Soda Ultra Matte Pastel Peach. That's what it says. And then next one is Rose Pink, and the Rose Pink, I have it on my eyelid as main color, which is rose gold with a soft pink decent hue. And the next one here is called Sultry. So this one is Sultry here. Yeah, and Sultry is a hybrid satin metallic finish, warm chocolate brown. So it's a warm chocolate brown. So moving on to this one over here, and this one is a bronze, which is metallic bronze, gold bronze. And the last one here is called Mulberry, which also I have on my lower lid. And Mulberry is, you know, as the name says, ultra matte Mulberry. So I'm going to remove this and move on to the next line. So the next swatches which I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you starting from here, going here. So you can just take a look, and then I will tell you all the names and what are the colors. Okay, so the first one here on my swatch, which you can hardly see, is Dusty Rose, which is ultra matte dusty lilac. So that's the color. So moving on to this color, and the name of the color is Fairy, and Fairy is multi-dimensional light gold. And moving on to this one, and this one is Burnt Orange. I have used it as my I would say like my crease color, and burnt orange is like a ultra matte deep orange. And then moving on to this one, and this one is called Sienna, and Sienna is basically ultra matte earthy brown. And moving on to this one, it's called Rustic, and Rustic is basically ultra matte cinnamon brown. And then moving on to this one, this is Cypress Umber, and Cypress Umber is basically matte deep coffee color. And moving on to the last one, which is Noir, and Noir is, it's a carbon black, it's a matte color, and which I used on my lower lid as a last color. So if you like this video, if you like my mini review, demo, swatches, so if you like this video, please don't forget to comment below and let me know. And please subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me, and I'm really trying to work hard. So you can click on my photo here and it will automatically subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. Link is down below, and I will see you in my next video for sure. Until then, bye.